Hi, welcome back to Letty's Corner, where a house becomes a home. My director of Bumblebee Productions brought over her brand new lantern she just scored at a Kirkland's end of the fall sale. Can you believe they're already discounting items? Rush out and get yours today. The trouble with bringing home a lantern like this is, what do I put in it? How do I decorate it? Well, I have the answers, so stick around in Letty's Corner. Today we're going to use tips and tricks from two of my favorite YouTubers in home decor, Ramon at Home and Olivia's Romantic Home. The first question to answer is, what do I put inside my lantern? And something as simple as a battery-operated candle on a cupcake stand will suffice to give you that warm glow that you expect from a lantern. And then the real fun begins with an assortment of florals. I have even bits and pieces that I have used in previous flower arrangements. As you can see, this is missing a few pieces, and that's okay. And what we're going to do is assemble a spray. And this is very quick and easy, and very affordable as well. So you can see that if you look at it, it's already beautiful on its own. So once you have the spray assembled to your liking, you grab a zip tie. And to me, this is the trickiest part of decorating a lantern, zip tying the things together, because I always inevitably mess it up. But the square goes away from you, correct? I don't remember, we'll see. You zip tie the bundle together nice and tight. And then you give it a bend, and then you have one side of your spray for the lantern. So I'm going to quickly do a fast tutorial on another kind of very easy and fun ribbon. This is called a funky bow. Funky because you have three different patterns on ribbon. And for a funky bow, it looks best if you have two wide and one narrow. And what you do is cut 3 lengths of each size of bow. And for one of these, I'm actually even using some of my scraps. So these are 28, 26, and 24 inches long. And then you just start assembling. You fold them in half, and then you take about half of that bow and you pinch it in the middle. And then you take the next type of bow, fold it in half, and make a loop that's about the same length as this bow, but you alternate. And then you take the third type of bow, fold it in half, and make another alternating loop. And then you have your first set. And the trickiest part about this is to hold the entire thing, because you're gonna be holding several loops of material in one hand. So you have all of the bunch looped together. And then one of the trickiest parts is to attach the entire bundle, secure it with a pipe cleaner, spin it around, spin it around, spin it around. Make sure it's securely attached, and then fluff your bow to your liking. Turn the tails around so they're visible. And this funky bow has a lot of tails. It's still a statement piece, but it's a little bit more subdued because of the colors of the ribbons, excuse me. The patterns are a little more subdued and they match the spray a little bit better. So you're gonna fluff to your heart's content, and then just secure the bow next to the spray. And here she is, Peep this. It is much better. The bow is still large and in charge, but much more muted. So there you go. Crafts are never a commitment. Do what you like until you get it right for your home, for your taste. Just have fun with it. Thank you for spending time in Letty's Corner.